So, welcome. Today we will talk about cost of ownership, and with me to do this I have Lars Kastensson, Oil System Engineer. Welcome, Lars.
Thank you, Christian.
I have Anna Wiedemann from Global Parts and Services. Welcome, Anna.
Thank you.
And we have Rodrigo Martins, Sales and Application Engineer for Industrial Products. Welcome, guys.
Thank you, Christian.
Thank you.
So, to start with, cost of fuel, that's a major cost. Is there anything, do you have any ideas or anything how I can control this in the best way as a genset owner or genset builder? I start with you, Lars.
Yeah, the lubrication oil play a vital role for the fuel consumption. Both the quality and viscosity influence the internal friction in the engine. And in stage 5 engines, we have developed it for 10W30 viscosity compared to 15W40 before. And this thinner oil, together with optimization of the oil thermostats that keeps the oil temperature at a higher level in the average, this will reduce the internal friction of the engine and thereby also the fuel consumption.
Anna, do you?
Yes, I would say that you can also influence your fuel consumption by always use our maintenance schedules together with the use of genuine Volvo Penta parts. By doing so, your engine will always be optimized, and that in turn will have a great impact on your fuel consumption.
Then, when it comes to the total maintenance cost, is there, in the same way, are there anything I should think of or consider especially, or, yeah, I turn to you, Anna.
Yes, the easiest way of controlling your maintenance cost is, like I mentioned before, always use our maintenance schedules. Regularly maintenance schedules will, together with the genuine Volvo Penta parts, will always secure the best conditions for your engine, and our online service protocol is the tool that will help you manage your engine maintenance.
Yeah, and we have also introduced high-quality Volvo Penta VDS 4.5 lubrication oil. And this oil has outstanding properties for thermal degradation and oxidation. And this, in combination with usage of genuine Volvo Penta oil filters, makes it possible to run up to 1,000-hour oil drain interval on most of our engines.
Thank you very much, Lars and Anna. Rodrigo, when I'm designing my genset, is there anything special to consider when it comes with regards to cost of ownership?
Yeah, sure. The design phase of a generator set is crucial for having a low total cost of ownership. If some precautions are not taken, the service interval will happen more often. Also, the engine's life may be jeopardized. So when it comes to TCO, it's really important that you follow all the Volvo Penta technical recommendations. Just to highlight here, give some examples. If you have an engine that is not well dimensioned for its intended operation, it will create some troubles. If you have too low load, it will lead to some well-known diesel side effects called like glazing and slubbering. When, on the other hand, when you have too high load, it may shorten the engine's life. So you need always to pay attention on which engine model you are selecting. Also, the engine specification, it's crucial. Volvo Penta offers different kinds of models. You can customize your engine for that. When it comes to the genset, it's something relatively new for that, and something called EATS has been added to these engines, which is the exhaust after treatment system. And this guy requires a special attention when installing it and the way you operate this engine. So, summing up, Volvo Penta has a bunch of documentations ready to be shared with our partners, such as 2D drawings, 3D models, installation instructions, installation manuals, you can name it.
Yes, and I would like to add something regarding this oil drain interval. I mean, Volvo Penta can actually prolong your oil drain interval if you use our oil analysis program. This program will assist you in optimizing your oil drain interval. It can prevent crucial failures and also minimize unscheduled downtime. And this in combination will contribute to actually lower your total cost of operation.
Thank you for the tips,
Yes.
guys. Another thing, maybe more connected to the climate, Volvo Penta is committed to the Worldwide Foundation, where the target is to reduce the fuel consumption by 2% with each new engine. Can you please give some insights? How do Volvo Penta work with this to meet this target? I start with you, Lars.
Yeah, Christian, fuel consumption is really a keystone in our daily work. Each new engine project, here we do optimize the engine's hardware and combustion for lowest fuel consumption as possible. And of course, still meeting other requirements such as emissions, durability, and performance.
Bring it to the engine installation point of view. There are many things that we can do to ensure that the engine will deliver its outstanding fuel consumption. Just giving some examples here. A well-designed exhaust installation will create a low restriction, which means the engine will work more freely. If you keep the air intake temperature as low as possible, you will guarantee that the engine will have a good efficiency. By selecting the right fan ratio, we can save a lot of fuel. And also, talking about fuel systems, if you design it according to Volvo Penta recommendations, keeping the fuel hose diameter big enough, or having a short length, or placing the fuel tank on the right location, this engine will deliver its best.
Yeah, and when discussing fuel consumption and climate, I think we should mention the importance of the shift from fossil to alternative fuels. At Volvo Penta, we do approve usage of hydrotreated vegetable oils, HVO, as fuel in all our diesel engines since 2016, and you still keep the same service intervals.
And emissions, or?
Absolutely.
Oh, good.
In addition to what Lars just mentioned here, it's good to talk about our focus on the customers. We always try to be close to the customer, understand what's the customer need, how they use the engines, and how they install the engines. And that's the key for us to develop a new product. And talking about new products, there's something coming up here. So what do you think, guys? Let's watch a short clip of our new D13 engine.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sounds good.
Here I am again, and now with our new D13 engine. This engine has gone through extensive running hours in our test cells. As you can see, this engine has a lot of cables and hoses. So this engine just left our workshop, and we use that to evaluate all its performance when it comes to power output, load acceptance, fuel consumption, and also cooling performance. This engine is prepared for the toughest environment you can imagine.
So, with that short clip and all your good insight, I thank you for listening in to this session, and see you next time. Thank you.